Hey guys, welcome back to our channel to another weekend vlog. वही पुरानी जगह बट नए सीजन और नए लोगों के साथ. So Ayansh, who is visiting us this time?
Bua and Jiju.
Bua and Jiju. Jiju, say hi.
Hello.
Although it's not their first time here. So Jiju.
It's a first time on the Canadian side, and it is wow. Still to explore, but having fun.
और नई बात ये भी है कि पहले जब आप आए थे तो आप लाइक एज ए टूरिस्ट आए थे, राइट?
Yeah.
And this time you are like moving to Canada, so it's different. रिकॉर्ड कर लिया जीजू मैंने ये. अगर कुछ हो गया तो फिर बेटा समर्स में जाएंगे.
So you can actually गाड़ी से जाते हैं.
So guys, it's another beautiful day. Temperature is very good, like 14-15 degrees है. जैकेट्स की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट हाँ, ये लोग अभी न्यू इंडिया से आए हैं तो ठंड लग रही है क्योंकि विंडी बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो थोड़ी बहुत ठंड है. बट इट्स अदरवाइज अ ब्यूटीफुल एंड अ प्लेजेंट डे. So guys, Dee and Jiju are actually moving to Canada as new immigrant. वैसे तो आजकल मीडिया में बहुत हाइप्ड है कनाडा का रिवर्स इमिग्रेशन, लेकिन फिर भी इतने सारे इमिग्रेंट्स यहाँ पे अभी भी आ रहे हैं. तो ये इनका फर्स्ट वीकेंड है यहाँ पर. लाइक आज सैटरडे है, थर्सडे को ये लोग यहाँ आए थे. तो इनसे पूछते कि इनका एयरपोर्ट एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा एज न्यू इमिग्रेंट. जो फॉर्मेलिटीज़ होती है एयरपोर्ट पे, तो वो इनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा. ओवर टू यू जीजू.
It was mixed experience. I mean, the guys were really nice, decent. There's a system to follow, but the wait is very long. So if you're coming in as an immigrant, make sure you pack some water, snacks, etc. with you, because we started the process. We landed around 10 a.m. and it took us about 8 hours. We finished around 6:30 and there was nothing to do but to wait for your turn. So it was a lengthy experience, but the guys were nice. The immigration officers, the security personnel, they went around, handed us balls of water, but other than that, yeah, if you didn't have a breakfast on the flight, you're going to be in for a long wait. So yeah, it took us quite a while to get through that process. Yeah, if you got kids with you, make sure you pack up enough food for them, because it can be a lengthy wait. When you look on the internet, it says about 2 hours. Our experience was many times more. Four times more.
Because 2 hours also depends how many people are there in your flight, right? So it means that still a lot of new people are coming. Although कि कितना भी रिवर्स इमिग्रेशन की बातें हो रही है, but still lot many new people are coming here. और आपको कैसा लगा?
It was a long hour of waiting, and it's just waiting. That's it. It took us about 8 hours to get out of the airport.
Right.
Once we landed.
And when we met, they were like कि पहले हमें बस कुछ खाना है.
Yeah, we were so hungry.
और नवदीप का वेट टाइम कैसे चल रहा था? उसको लग रहा था कब मिलूंगा मैं अपनी बहन को.
It was good. I was able to finish my work. I didn't have to go in between.
Finish your whole days of work.
Yes, I finished my office. I went comfortably.
So he's happy like you guys had to wait.
No, I mean, I was happy that I didn't have to leave in between. Otherwise, I have to come back and again get into my system. So I avoided that.
Yeah, the tricky part is make sure you get a Canadian SIM before you move over, because trying to keep in touch with family who's waiting on the other side can be, you know, a little panicky. They're gonna wonder where you are, why is it taking so long and all. So yeah, make sure you have a Canadian SIM before you move over, or you have a roaming plan at least for those times, and a battery backup. 8 hours sitting and waiting can drain your battery in terms of games and whatnot.
Borrow a phone from someone and give them information, because the person waiting outside, they get worried sometimes.
The good thing is, yeah, you have Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
so at least you're able to keep in touch. But make sure you have enough juice in your mobile, because then it's just how do you say it? It's just weird. People on the other side are wondering what happened. So yeah, but it was fun. Decent airport.
वैसे जब हम आए थे तब हमें भी 5 to 6 आवर्स लगे थे एयरपोर्ट पे, बट मेरी तो यूजुअल प्रैक्टिस है कि मैं अपने लिए कुछ खाने का पैक करके चलती हूँ, तो फूड वाइज कोई इशू नहीं था हमें, हमारे पास फूड था, और तो इतना फील नहीं हुआ वो वेट टाइम। और एयरपोर्ट से ही हमने आपको भी बताया था सिन नंबर लेने के लिए, राइट? तो वो इजी है, क्योंकि अगर आप एयरपोर्ट पे ही सिन नंबर ले लो, अगर आप बिजनेस आवर्स में लैंड कर रहे हो तो बिटवीन 9 to 5 अगर आपकी फ़्लाइट लैंड हो रही है तो आप सिन नंबर वहीं से ले लो, इट्स वेरी इजी। अदरवाइज़ सर्विस कनाडा पे या सर्विस ओंटारियो पे जाके तो बहुत लाइनअप्स रहते हैं, बिकॉज एवरी डे न्यू इमिग्रेंट्स आर कमिंग, तो काफ़ी टाइम लग जाता है।
The first thing you need when you are going to open your bank account.
या
So SIN is very important to start a job or to have a bank account open.
I'm going to the...
Did you see that rainbow? It's there. Yes.
Wow.
You even know how that rainbow appears? How?
When light travels through transparent matter, changes the wavelengths.
Amazing.
I think that's that one. Yeah, because these two. The one is here, another one is there. Are you ready?
Oh, I wanna.
I wanna.
हाँ बस हो गया। दिख रहा है?
Okay, fine, I'll make it.
हाँ अब
Go.
अब दिख रहा है? They scanned us. Ayansh, see? That's why we should not trust.
You stupid machine! I'm gonna break it.
Smallest are what? 10 cents?
यस
So what is the coins here? 10 cents? Quarter? And straight to dollar?
डॉलर या 50 नो
There's-
नो
there's no 50 cents.
नो 50 cents।
It is a we got scanned.
चल गया ये वाला?
You can rotate it.
I know, you knocked my arm.
Okay.
Show me the camera.
So guys, we are walking on along the sidewalk of the Niagara River and we're gonna walk across the power station because usually जब हम winters में walk करने आते हैं तो हम वो जो कस्टमर इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर है वहीं तक आते हैं जो हॉर्सशू फॉल का जो बेस है। बट आज क्योंकि वेदर तो अच्छा है ही और पावर स्टेशन के अदर साइड वहाँ पर है बहुत सारे चेरी ब्लॉसम के ट्रीज़। सो वैसे तो ये जो स्प्रिंग का है ब्लूम सीज़न तो वहाँ पे वो चेरी ब्लॉसम हम हाई पार्क जाते हैं, बट बिकॉज वो नायग्रा आना चाहते थे। सी दिस इज़ द पावर स्टेशन, आई विल शो यू द एरियल व्यू एज वेल। सो जस्ट अक्रॉस द पावर स्टेशन ये है सारे वो चेरी ब्लॉसम के ट्रीज जो कि बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं और ये 2 वीक्स के लिए ही ब्लूम करते हैं. सो लेट्स एंजॉय बिफोर इट गेट्स ओवर.
How are you gonna? No, listen. You gotta get your. Oi!
नहीं ऐसे ही.
You gotta get your legs up here, man. Come on.
On his shoulder. हाँ.
You ready?
No, wait.
What you doing, dude?
I need to get my.
Man, my feet are getting wet. Okay, yeah. Okay, fine. Put it-
No.
Okay, fine. Hey, get the other one. Get the other one. Okay, hold my head tight. Oi! You're heavy. Oi, you're heavy. Oh, I need help to get up. Please help me get up. I can't. It's too much for me. Okay, fine. Oh. Now sit straight. Say hello. Say, you're not. Look that way. I'm gonna throw you down. Okay, say hello. I'm gonna throw you down, dude. Okay, fine.
Go back.
So guys, after spending this beautiful day out in nature, now it's time to go to Clifton Hill as well because वहाँ पे जाए बिना तो Ayansh won't let us go back home. So guys, one last thing for Ayansh is the speedway and उसके बाद हम करेंगे dinner and we will call it a day. So guys, आज के वीडियो में बस इतना ही. जल्दी से लाइक कर दो, सब्सक्राइब करो हमारे चैनल को and keep watching. हम बहुत जल्दी मिलते हैं आपको हमारी नई वीडियो में. Until then, take care. Bye bye.